Good morning to all of you. Today we will see a second unit, that is the linkage 1.1. Under linkage, we will see the definition of linkage, linkage groups, linkage phases with examples. First of all, we will see the linkage, that is the definition of linkage. It is a tendency of parental genes to remain grouped together during the process of inheritance. Or, in another way, we can say that is the a tendency of two or more genes in a same chromosome to remain together in a process of inheritance. It is known as a linkage. Or, in another way, we can say that is that the tendency of two or more genes to remain together in a same chromosome during the process of inheritance. The degree of linkage is determined by the distance in the genes. Thus, the closer the genes, stronger will be the linkage. After completion of definition, we will see the linkage groups. All the genes on a pair of homologous chromosomes collectively form a linkage group. It is a group of character or genes that are linked together and inherited as a single unit. Every plant or animal bears several linkage groups. The number of linkage groups in an organism is equal to a number of chromosome pairs. That means the haploid number of chromosomes. For example, in a maize, 10 pairs of chromosomes, twice n is equal to 20 and n is equal to 10. Therefore, the linkage groups are the 10. Particularly in Drosophila, there are 4 pairs of chromosomes. Twice n is equal to 8 and n is equal to 4. Therefore, the linkage groups are 4. Particularly in pea plants, there are 7 pairs of chromosomes. Twice n is equal to 14. N is equal to 7 and therefore linkage groups are 7. In a man, there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. Twice n is equal to 46. N is equal to 23. Therefore, the linkage groups is equal to 23. It is seen that the large chromosome possess a large number of genes and smaller one they possess the less number of genes. Thus, the large chromosome has a large linkage groups and small ones have a small linkage groups. A member of linkage group show the linkage to each other if a capital A, capital B, capital C and capital D are the 4 genes forming a group. Then A is linked with B, C and D. Similarly, B is linked with A, C and D and so on. After completion of linkage groups, another concept related with linkage, that is the linkage phases. The Batson and Punnett in 1904 to 1908 formulated a hypothesis of coupling and repulsion to explain the unexpected F2 results of a dihybrid cross in a sweet pea, that means the Litharus odoratus. They considered a cross between a blue flowered long pollen sweet pea with a red flowered round pollen grain sweet pea. Parents, the capital B, capital A, and another parent having a small b, small l. The F1 plants were capital B, small b, capital L, small l, with a few flowers and a long pollen grains. Then the F1 hybrids was crossed with a red round, that means a small b, small l. The F2 test cross progeny, the ratio was 7 as to 1 as to 1 as to 7. While you may see the cross, the parents, these are the blue long crossed with a red round. Their gametes of that parental plant, that is the blue long, which is the capital B, capital L, and a red round is a small b, small l. While you observe their gametes of the first parent, that is the capital B, small l, and another parent, that is the small b, small l. The F1 hybrid, which is a produced one, that is the capital B small b capital L small l. That means the all F1 progenies, the color of the flower which is the blue long. While you made a test cross of that F1 with a red round, that means the recessive parent, in a test cross the progenies are obtained a blue long, blue round, red long, red round, and their gametes are capital B small b capital L small l, capital B small b small l small l, small b small b capital L small l, small b small b small l small b, and the ratio is a 7 as to 1 as to 1 as to 7. That means out of 16, 7 offspring, these are the blue long, one offspring which is the blue round, and another one offspring which is the red long, and a 7 offspring, these are the red round. The test cross gives a 7 as to 1 as to 1 as to 7 ratio instead of a typical expected ratio, that means the 1 as to 1 as to 1 as to 1. The ratio 7 as to 1 as to 1 as to 7, it indicates that there is a tendency of dominant alleles to remain together. The recessive alleles also shows a same tendency. Such a changes was called as a gametic repulsion by Batson and Punnett, and the genes are said to be in a cis arrangement. This phase is a coupling phase. The genes remains coupled together. Further, when they are crossed, the blue round, that means the capital B, small l with a red long, that means the small b, capital L. The F1 hybrid was a blue long, that means the capital B, small b, capital L, small l. The F1 hybrid was a test crossed with a recessive parent, that means the red round, small b, small l, small b, l. The test cross ratio was 1 as to 7 as to 7 as to 1 instead of expected ratio 1 as to 1 as to 1 as to 1 ratio. Here, two dominant pairs of the alleles repel each other. The tendency of both dominant and both recessive alleles to repel each other, so that the gametes of genotype of a capital B, capital L, and capital B, small l are formed more frequently. It was termed as a repulsion. Here, the genes are in a trans arrangement and the phase is called as a repulsion phase. While we see the cross, particularly the parental plants, which is the blue round and red long, their gametes of that parental plants, that is the capital B, small l, crossed with a small b, capital L, and their gametes of the two parents, which is the capital B, small l, small b, capital L. The F1, which is a produced one, which is a capital B, small b, capital L, small l, that means the blue long. Such a blue long which is a crossed with a red round, that means the test cross is carried out. The gametes of that blue long, which is the capital B, capital L, small l, and the red round is a small b, small l, small l. The test cross progenies are formed, that is the blue long is 1 out of 16, blue round is a 7 out of 16, red long 7 out of 16, and red round which is the 1 out of 16. That means the test cross progeny ratio is 1 as to 7 as to 7 as to 1 instead of typical expected ratio, that is the 1 as to 1 as to 1 as to 1. Batson and Punnett could not explain the exact reason of coupling and repulsion. It was explained by Morgan in 1910 with experiments of Drosophila. The two genes are in a coupling phase because they are present on the same chromosome. When the two genes are present on two different homologous chromosomes, they show repulsion. Such genes are known as linked genes, and the phenomena is known as linkage. Although the coupling and repulsions are now outdated, however, the term coupling and repulsion are still used. Therefore, the linkage is said to be either in a coupling phase or in a repulsion phase. In a coupling phase, both the linked genes have their dominant alleles in one chromosome and recessive alleles in the other chromosomes. Thank you.